Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel again and a brand new drums video. And in today's drums video I'll be telling you and plus showing you some 4 most commonly used grooves in the songs and which are most common. And so I'll be telling you that plus showing you. So one camera is over here on which I'm talking to right now to you guys, and one camera is over here. You can see this tripod behind me. So yeah, there are 2 angles and it will be good as you will see the full drums as from this camera right over here, the second one, and this is the first one. So yeah, you will just see some parts of the drums from this camera, but you will see the full drums from this camera right over here. So yeah, it will be good, and hope you will like this video. If you do, then give this video a like. If you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing. If you have any questions related to drums, you can put them in the comment section and we'll reply you for sure. So now, without wasting time, let's dive in. Hey guys, again over here, and welcome back to the same channel and to the same tutorial. And so now let's move on to the first groove, and so I will show you what's the first groove. But before that, there is no specific name for each groove which I am going to play, and there are 4 grooves as I said, so there is no specific name for each grooves. And so overall the name of the grooves are the 8-note grooves. So this is the name, and they are all on the 8-note count, and the count is like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So this is the count, and so yeah, let's move on to the first groove, and here it comes. So now I will play it a little bit slower for your understanding, and then after that a little bit faster, and then I will add my own improvisation in the groove, so that you will understand more and how you can add your own improvisation in these grooves. So here we go. So guys, actually this groove is very basic, and you could have heard this groove in many songs. And so this is the basic groove all the drummers should know. And so yeah, and now I'll play it little bit faster. And now I will add my own improvisation in it. So like this you can add your own improvisation. And now let's move on to the second groove. So again I will play a little bit slower then fast, then we'll add my own improvisation. So this is the second groove, and this is also very basic, and again every drummer should know this at the beginning when you have just started learning drums, or even if you have already started and know drums very well, but still you should know this groove. Here's the second groove which I just did, and now I'll play it a little bit faster. And now with my own improvisation. Here it is. So I'm adding my own improvisation, but I'm keeping it short as I also have to keep this video short, and so it will be good for you guys as well. So you will watch my full video, I guess. And anyways, I will not make this video too long, and yeah. And now let's move on to the third groove. So actually now third and the fourth groove are kind of similar, but at first you will think that, but they are not the same and they are different. So you will get to know, and at first you will think that, but when you listen it closely or carefully, you will get to know. This is the third groove, and now a little bit faster. And now with my own improvisation. And so like this you can add your own improvisation again, and so yeah, I just add a little bit fill at the end. So this is how you can add your own improvisation. Yeah, and now let's move on to the fourth groove, and which is the last groove. And now in this groove you will hear the difference between the third and the fourth groove. Here we go. So this is the fourth groove, and if you listen it carefully, you will hear the difference between the third and the fourth groove. And so yeah, and now a little bit faster. And so now with my own improvisation. Yeah guys, and like that you can end again your groove, and I just add another fill, and so yeah, like this you can make your groove more enhanced, and add some fills, do some things on the hi-hat. You can change the kick pattern in the same groove. So yeah, and like this we have completed this tutorial, and so thanks for watching this video, and hope you had got some information from another way. But yeah, and again, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.